Unboxing the A100 reveals a sleek and stylish vertical speaker that takes up minimal space. It is perfect for students, travelers, rooms, tables design, even computer desktop sounds, or even for gift ideas. A budget-friendly vertical desktop speaker with a function of Bluetooth 5.0, card, USB, auxiliary input, and rechargeable, allowing you to easily set it up anywhere and enjoy your favorite music. This review is ideal for viewers seeking a vertical design portable Bluetooth speaker.
Ito at binuksan ko na at makikita sa kahon ang mga cable at manual.
Actual na hitsura at design ng body.
Bluetooth portable speaker, USB, micro SD and auxiliary input. There's always a way to let the music start.
Ito ang aktwal na haba at laki.
Sa bidyong review na to ay makikita nyo ang actual dimension, mga actual na sukat, gamit ang metro.
Gaano katagal mag-charge at saka pwede ba dagdagan ng battery?
These are a battery inside value.
This is No Inside Gadget Review, Demo, Sound Check and Physical Checking.
Sound check. Explore the different ways you can connect the A100 to your devices. Wirelessly, you can connect via Bluetooth for a hassle-free listening experience.
Power off. Bluetooth mode. Connected. FM mode.
But if you prefer a wired connection,
Bluetooth mode.
you need AUX to AUX cable, then insert it to AUX input for versatile use. Additionally, this vertical design
Line
speaker
in
include a
mode.
USB-C port for charging or even playing audio directly from a flash drive.
Alright, time to unbox this new portable speaker. The packaging looks nice and secure. See the bubble wrap? I see now the first impression. Whoa! Did you see the price? It is only 1,400 plus for this tower portable Bluetooth speaker. Friendly price, ha? Wow!
Wow, malaki na. Ang mura pa.
At ayan, makikita nyo sa screen sa kanyang kahon ang kanyang mga specs at features. Naghahanap ka ba ng malaking speaker pero abot kaya ang presyo? Eto, tingnan ang bidyong ito na nire-review ko at baka iyong magustuhan. Let's go!
This is No Inside Gadget Review, Demo, Sound Check and Physical Checking.
Mag-subscribe kung hindi pa.